It's Sandro from Abstract Homes and Renovations. Today we're going to interview Brian from Peaks Concrete here. Brian, I just wanted to ask you a few questions. Brian has placing and finishing of concrete. So I want to ask Brian a couple of things. Like today is like October 1st. It's the coldest day of the year so far. So concrete mix we're looking at. So what would you typically use on a day like today?
Well, it's exterior work. So we're using 32 MPa with 5 to 8 air. What that allows is that when moisture gets into the concrete, it will freeze, but the air pockets allow it to expand the moisture so it doesn't pop off the top of the surface. So first thing is 32 MPa, 5 to 8 air for exterior applications. The other thing we're looking for is a mix that, since it's stairs, we're looking for a mix that is a little bit tighter together, not so slumpy or wet. So we have this at about 100 mil slump, which is, in concrete terms, when you put a cone on it, it doesn't drop on down on the cone. The slump doesn't slump down. Right. So it's a tight mix.
Right. As you can see the guys pouring it right there. You can see it just kind of sit, and it just sits down.
Right. It's not flowing right out.
Right.
We're using a small pencil vibe on this. It's not a large vibrator head, which will blow the concrete right out.
If we use too big a vibrator.
Correct. So we're using a smaller pencil vibe just to get the air pockets, consolidate the concrete and get the air pockets out of the face of the concrete.
Right.
So that's why you see Brian here, you can't see, but he's using a smaller pencil vibe.
Right.
I noticed with the forming, you know, it's a long span. It's, what is it, 18 feet?
It's just over 18, yeah.
So, and also I noticed if you're forming, you put the uprights up so it doesn't sag down.
Right.
So because you only have very little in the way of slope for the treads,
right.
I think you only have about 3/8.
Yeah, 3/8 or more.
You know, any sort of slump on that form will create water holding on the concrete.
Right.
So I know the bracing is actually quite good.
Yeah. So that's another thing too. When you're looking at this, I'm sure you've probably gotten the jobs where guys haven't done enough bracing, all that.
Oh yeah.
And you get blows, and then you have to mix it, and
well,
that kind of stuff, right?
The thing is, it's amazing. There's so much weight with that concrete. Just in that one little section there, I bet you that's over 1,000 pounds of weight.
Right.
Can you imagine if it blows out just a bit?
Right.
You can't just push it back.
Right.
You have to actually dig all the concrete out and fix it.
Right.
So yeah, when you do the extra time to do the bracing beforehand, it makes our job a lot easier.
Right. Right. So, there you go, guys. There's your lesson for the day.